Namaste and welcome everyone, and today's topic is how to meditate. I keep getting at least 50 to 100 DMs every day that I don't know to meditate. Meditation is difficult for me. I cannot meditate. I cannot stop my mind. Now, I will share 3 easy techniques to meditate today. That is, the first is the breath meditation, which is also called the navel meditation or navel breathing exercise. You keep your palms on your navel. For males, keep your right palm on the navel first, and on top of that, keep the left palm. And for females, keep the left palm on the navel and then right palm above it. Once you do that, put a timer for 2 to 5 minutes and simply make sure that every breath is reaching up to the stomach. That's the first breath or the stomach breathing exercise or navel meditation, the breath meditation. Second technique is Tratak meditation. It's a yoga kriya, which has been a very ancient kriya to develop psychic powers, intuitive powers for your third eye chakra. It's also been done as third eye meditation at many of the online channels and resources. But simply keeping a candle at your eye level and focusing your gaze on the flame. Tratak. I'll be soon making a YouTube video on Tratak, but Tratak is just focusing on one point without blinking for at least 1 minute. That's maximum. Try to not blink for 1 minute, gazing at the candle flame. Or you can also gaze at a dot on the wall, or even for a lizard on the wall. Just do that for 2 to 5 minutes. Again, you have done your meditation. Your entire focus comes on your third eye, or just without blinking. So keep a timer for 1 minute, turn it off, 1 minute, turn it off, and continue. So, and like that. Now the third technique is the master technique of all, where you do a breathing exercise that is alternate nostril breathing. It's also called Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, which I have already made a YouTube video on. I'll leave the link of my YouTube channel on the description. So once you do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, the alternate nostril breathing, slowly without making any sound. So you have to go very, very slowly, inhaling from one nostril, blocking, exhaling from the other, and slowly inhaling from one and blocking, exhaling from the other. If you do it very slowly without any sound for 2 to 5 minutes, you will notice after effects of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, you will be in bliss for few minutes, few hours. Now the more you practice this breathing exercise, you're getting healthy, hormonal balances, mental balance and focus, clarity, and a lot more benefits are coming on the way. But not only that, the after effects, after you stop this pranayama, simply sit. Let the thoughts come, and you will notice the thoughts have reduced a lot, up to 80% or 90% your thoughts have gone down. So anxiety, stress, sleeping disorders can be cured by Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So these 3 techniques I wanted to share with you guys very quickly on Instagram, YouTube, and everywhere. So thank you. Do not forget, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, follow me wherever you or however you can. Take care and bye-bye. Namaste.